In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Mailchimp account and add email lists. If you're getting started with email marketing, Mailchimp is one of the easiest platforms to learn, and today I'll guide you through the setup process from start to finish. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your account ready and your contact list organized, so you can begin building campaigns with confidence. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Mailchimp website. Once the homepage loads, look for the option to create a new account and click on it. You'll then be taken to the registration page where you'll need to enter a business email address, create a username, and choose a secure password. A strong password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to help keep your account protected. If you prefer a quicker sign-in method, Mailchimp also gives you the option to continue using Google. This can simplify the login process and reduce the number of passwords you need to remember. After reviewing your information, click the Sign Up button to continue. Mailchimp may ask you to verify your email address or complete a short onboarding process before entering the dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, you'll arrive at the main control panel where you can manage campaigns, automations, and subscriber data. Now, direct your attention to the Audience section. In Mailchimp, your audience acts as the central database for your subscribers and customers. This is where all of your email contacts are stored and organized. Click on Audience to open the Contact Management area. Inside this section, you'll notice options for adding contacts either individually or through a bulk import. If you already have an existing spreadsheet of subscribers, choose the Import Contacts option. Mailchimp supports CSV files and similar formats, making it easy to move your existing list into the platform. Before importing, it's a good idea to organize your spreadsheet properly. Keep each type of information in separate columns, such as email address, first name, or phone number. During the upload process, Mailchimp will ask you to match each column with the correct audience field, so double-check everything before completing the import. If you only want to add a few people manually, select the Single Contact option instead. Enter the email address and confirm that the person has given permission to receive emails from you. This is extremely important for maintaining trust and following email marketing regulations. You can also include optional details like first and last name to personalize future campaigns. Once everything looks correct, save the contact, and Mailchimp will add them directly to your audience list. And that's it. Your Mailchimp account is now set up, and your email list is ready to use. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.